Hello to all my beautiful viewers out there. Today I thought I'd do another unboxing video of the pairs of track pants and jeans that I managed to pick up from MNML just before they sold out. If you don't know what MNML is, it's a clothing brand that mainly focuses on the really modern day styles and trends that are really surfacing in men's fashion and potentially women's fashion as well if you're a big enough men's size. I think it's really cool. I'm really keen to show you guys what I managed to get before it all sold out, but not to delay it any further, let's dive straight into the package, people. What I managed to cop before it actually sold out was the L133 denim jeans. What they are is a normal washed out pair of denim jeans, but on the, I think it's the right leg, there's like a little cutout where they've stitched on a pair of like a cargo legging. I'll definitely show you with some images and stuff like that. I'm probably terrible at explaining it, but it's got a couple straps on it. It's a cool take on denim jeans because the only denim jeans I really had at this point were kind of just like your traditional ones, and I kind of want something a little bit wacky, a little bit out there. When I first looked at MNML, when I first found out these were releasing, they were a pre-order. Well, they weren't a pre-order. They said they were coming out soon. So I like put my email in, waited, and as soon as it dropped, I like clicked on the email, got to the website, half the sizes had sold out, and it had only been out for like 3 minutes. Like it just had checked my email, and bam, half the sizes were gone. Luckily, all the thick boys hadn't come in and bought all the big sizes. I was able to buy a size 40 in the denim jeans, but it was like $90, I think, for the denim. But it's like 140 Australian before you actually get free shipping. So I was like, oh my god, I need to quickly add something to the cart and get it as well so I can get free shipping. Because come on, we all do that. I'm not the only one. I was like, if free shipping's an option, I'm definitely going to get free shipping. So I added a pair of Snap cargo pants as well, 2XL. I hope a 2XL fits. It was a pretty safe guess to say that a 2XL will probably fit, but I didn't check the sizing because I didn't have time. I had to buy them now because I was afraid that the denim that I'd been waiting for like 2 weeks to release for would sell out. So I had to buy it as soon as possible. Bought it, free shipping. Thanks to Honey, the Google Chrome extension as well, I managed to save $15 US because they had some kind of discount code available. If you guys don't know what Honey is a Google Chrome extension that you can install to Google Chrome, and whenever you're on a website and you're about to buy something, it'll scan through all the discount codes that it has collected and it'll apply them all to your order to see if it can discount anything for you. Even in this MNML order, I got $15 US off, so I was like, that's pretty good. I'll cop that. But Honey is free to download on the Google Chrome store, so if you don't have it, get it. It has saved me hundreds of dollars when I've been buying just random shit on the internet. It's great. It's awesome. 100% would rate it. But let's dive into this bad boy so I can show you sort of what it looks like. Got my trusty pair of kitchen scissors here. At this point in time, because I've only done 3 unboxing videos, I unfortunately do not have a fancy knife. But maybe I should invest in that. Maybe I should invest in, you know, some of a paycheck and get a, you know, fancy knife and, you know, show it off on the videos when I'm unboxing stuff. I'm just kidding. I mean, the scissors are totally fine, but honestly, you know what I'm talking about. All those YouTube videos that do like unboxing, they always pull out some like fancy knife that has no purpose besides opening the boxes that they use in their videos. But, you know, whatever. I'm just saying, maybe I should get one. They wouldn't be that expensive. They'd be like $100. They wouldn't be that much. Okay. Let's open it up. I've got what looks like to be the black pants here, the black cargo pants that I was talking about. Now, as you can see, if I didn't specify that earlier, MNML is spelled MNML, not the conventional way of spelling it. Cool little adage to it. I kind of like that it's, you know, taken out all the vowels and it's kind of done that. They do have their own custom tags on it, which is another cool thing. Let's open up the cargo pants. Now, if I am correct, these have like a super long drawstring, so, Jesus, okay, I forgot how tall this actually is. This might actually be a struggle to showcase, but, okay. So it looks like it has, does it have butt pockets as well? It has 6 pockets, one on the side, one on the front, and one on the back. the drawstrings are massive. Can we just talk about that real quick? Look at this. These are huge. But I kind of like it. It'll fit the military vibe or the tactical vibe that's definitely going around in men's clothing quite a bit. I mean, you notice a lot of famous artists are wearing it these days. Skepta seems to be on that grind a lot. He was wearing tactical vests a lot in a lot of his photo shoots that I've been seeing recently. Same with like heaps of trap artists like Travis and stuff. They're all wearing pretty tactical clothing. So I think I could do a pretty cool outfit in this. I reckon I could get something cool. Yeah. 2XL. I reckon they're wide enough. We'll have to see. No, but I'll definitely try and do a photo shoot or something sometime soon with these bad boys on. Looks like they've got buckles at the bottom, or buttons. That'll be kind of cool because it'll make it easier to roll them up if I wear high tops, which like most of the time I do, and I think that'll work really, really well for the kind of outfit that I'm going to go for. But yeah, that's the black cargo pants. Thought I'd just showcase them to you. They're pretty cheap, so I definitely say go check out MNML if you're interested in a pair. I'll be chucking photos up of like actual models wearing it and not just your local boy, just so you have an idea of what it actually looks like. And of course, maybe sometime soon I'll get some photos up on Instagram or something like that. But I'm hella keen on to actually try them out. I think they look really, really nice. And I don't have a lot of black cargo pants actually, so it's a cool addition to the collection, I gotta say. Now we got the Pure Resistance that I was talking about. Here they are. The denim with the cargo pants patch. Oh my god, that took me so long. I don't know why that took me so long. Okay. Open these bad boys up. Okay. So as you can see, quite washed out. Oh my god. 40. So yeah, quite washed out, which is nice. I really like washed out denim jeans. I think it looks really nice. It can work well with a lot of whites and a lot of white shoes. That works really well. The quality, from what I'm feeling, actually feels like actual denim. I know when I say actual denim, you're probably like, what the hell am I on about? But a lot of the time when you buy denim these days, it's very stretchy. It feels like it's got a lot of plastic in it than it does actual cotton. So it feels like it's not like the traditional denim feel that they are used to do. So this is really cool. And there's the... Oh god, let's see if I can get it on an angle where you guys can see it. There's the patch that I was talking about on the right leg. I was right, it was on the right leg. I think that's a cool idea. I think that kind of stuff in men's clothing these days looks really, really nice. It's a really, really nice streetwear look. Obviously not something I would wear to a more formal event or to dress smart, casual, but for like an, you know, on the street outfit, I think that's a cool addition. I think that's awesome. And as I was saying, the prices for them aren't too unreasonable. I would say it's very well priced. If you use, you know, Honey, you can get a discount on it, but I would say definitely see if you can, if your size is left, definitely go pick up a pair. But I love it. I'll definitely get some photos up for you guys so you can have a look, and I will definitely showcase them on my Instagram, so you can definitely go check that out as well. But yeah guys, in all honesty, I'd say MNML, I'm definitely going to purchase more from them. If they do more collaborate or more designs like this, I think I'll personally buy more of their stuff. And with the free shipping option, the pretty reasonable prices, I reckon I'm going to become a pretty regular customer when, you know, I want a pair of jeans or stuff like that. Because there are a lot of cool designs that they have that I really like. Some simple ones, like some washed out jeans, some really nice distressed jeans. I'd say definitely give them, you know, a look. I'll link them in the description so you guys can check them out. As I was saying about women's, I can't remember if they do women's at all, but if you're a big enough men's size, or women's size that you can fit into men's, there might be a small enough men's size to fit you. God, that was a mouthful, but you get what I mean. You know, if you're big enough, there might be something there for you. I don't know. It's pretty androgynous in all honesty. Like, I could see, if this was small enough, I could see a woman wearing this as well. I don't necessarily think this is like a men's only style. I think it could very well work for women as well, but with the sizing, I don't know, you'd have to look into that yourself. I'm not 100% sure if there's women's sizing there or not. So, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Now you're probably wondering what the whole point of that video was. It was more of just like a showcase to showcase MNML and what I think of them personally. I will probably be a frequent shopper there, but I'd just like to let you guys know of some alternative places that you can go to get some pretty sweet designs for denim and cargo pants and various other things like that. I think they're a really cool brand. I think they definitely deserve a lot more recognition than they actually get. Not a lot of people actually like their designs. I've talked to some people that have shopped there before and they just don't like them, but I'm on board. I think both the designs that I bought today were very cool ideas, and will definitely be buying more in the future for sure. As I said, go check them out, guys. See what they're all about. See if you like anything. If you're into the whole streetwear aesthetic, or you kind of want to try it out, I'd suggest it. I'd say go for it. Give it a shot. See what it's all about. If you want to see me unbox more content by them though, or more stuff that they release, let me know in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and really helps me know what you guys want to see. But until next time, fellas, I'll catch you later.